We heard this thump, and a tree had fallen in the backyard and taken out the electrical line. And I started to smell an electrical smell, a heat smell, and could see that there was like a white smoke billowing up in front of our window.
I'm talking to her phone. I said, just get out.
We're heading towards the door when our neighbor ran up and said, "Hey, you guys, your house is on fire." So we just walked to the end of the driveway, and by the time we got to the end and looked back, that whole side of our house was like completely enveloped in like dark smoke. Just had a lot of disbelief, like, I can't believe this is happening.
Bedrock came into the picture through a referral from a good friend. But I choose to use Bedrock because the people that showed up, Dan, the owner, showed up. It seemed like they wanted to build a relationship instead of just build a house. It wasn't transactional.
You feel really vulnerable. It's a really good feeling to know that you're putting your trust in someone that's going to look after you.
We had our ups and downs. They tried to deal with our emotions as much as they could and be respectful. They were patient and they adjusted to me.
Robinson came in and he was amazing. He just did a fantastic job of coming in and regrouping and getting things organized and ordered.
Took the time to understand me and develop that connection.
When we had an issue or challenge with a subcontractor, they were advocates for us. They made sure that it got done right, and they were just really great about just being like, hey, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get through it. They were in it with us. We weren't kind of on our own. They rallied for us so hard to get us home for Christmas. And that's when you know, like, people really, truly are vested in you and your success. Like, they were here, like, around the clock. They really cared about us. Not just the usual crew, but they pulled people from other jobs and did whatever it took to get us here. Everybody that comes in here that was in our house before is just blown away. It just feels so much more brighter and airier, and it feels like a happier space.
The new setup allows us to practice what we love to do, host and entertain people.
I love that I have a place for everything in my kitchen. We have our stove where our window used to be, and our sink in the island, and it's just so much more functional. Everybody who comes into our bedroom says, I feel like I'm on vacation, and I feel that way too.
It becomes a place of relaxation versus just a place to sleep. They are working for you, not against you. I trust them, and I would recommend them because of the fact that they're not just in it for themselves. They're in it to actually help people get back to their lives, and they care. They really do.